Okay, one more of these questions to make sure we're good at determining the average rate of change over the function over a specific interval. In this case, our interval is all negative numbers from -10 to -2. So our input will be -10. The first time we solve this particular quadratic, and then the second one we'll put in -2. Then, of course, we'll use our slope formula again, our rate of change formula one more time. We switched over to green apparently. Okay, so -10 in parentheses squared. Always use those parentheses. It's just a great practice. Then a parentheses to indicate multiplication also. So substituting for your variable, just put parentheses and change that variable to the number given or that we're using. I like to put that equal sign there. We don't have to write anything on the left side here, really. Following our order of operations again, our exponent first. Doing one thing at a time. Now we're looking for multiplication before addition, so 8 times -10. You might write it like that, or just -80 would be the same thing as plus -80. And 100 plus -80, or 100 minus 80 is 20. And 20 plus 12 is 32. So our y, or f of x, is 32. Then we have to do the same thing, substituting -2 in. And then we can use our slope formula to find the average rate of change. So -2 plus 8 times -2 plus 12. Sorry about my 2's being a little bit ugly, but you know they're 2's. -2 squared, our exponent first. And then this multiplication, so 4, I'll just write -16 here just to demonstrate that that's perfectly fine. Positive 8 times -2 is -16. And addition and subtraction from left to right as our order of operations demands. So the subtraction will come first in this case, and that'll be -12 plus 12, and that sounds like it'll be 0. Now we're ready to sub in our x1 and y1 and our x2 and y2 into our slope formula. So carefully putting those in and using subtraction no matter what, if these are positive or negative. So our y2 minus our y1 is 0 minus 32. Sometimes we just put this minus sign in first and then just plug the numbers in. So our x2 is -2. Our x1 is -10. And that way you don't ever miss that there's two minus signs back to back. We use that to call it positive. 0 minus 32 is -32 in the numerator. And -2 plus 10 is 8 in the denominator. 32 divided by 8 is 4. Negative divided by positive is negative. So our average rate of change is -4. We can learn that.